Okay, guys, thanks for tuning in to another update, manufacturing production update newsletter thingo. So, some good news and some bad news. Let's get into the shipping. So, we've sent out a whole bunch of Raptor 2s, which is great. People are starting to get the tracking numbers, and people have also reported that they've actually got the boards. So that's fantastic. We're super excited about that news. If you haven't got your tracking number, or if it's not updated, or if you're wondering what's going on, we've got 24/7 customer support on our website. Just jump on there and let us know, and we'll help you out. We have the answers. What else has been going on? We're stacking up Raptors. We fortunately are getting better at producing Raptors. It's been a tough journey, but we've gotten through most of the tough challenges. We're still getting held back by some of our supply chain issues. Just trying to get everything in sync is super difficult. In the world of manufacturing, they say hardware is hard, and what that means is making technology, like physical stuff that you can touch and feel and use. It's hard, but we're stacking them up. There's a bit of a constraint with our motors. Our target for June was meant to be 250. It was going to be our most massive month ever. We were so stoked, but it's been basically slashed in half. Unfortunately, we're just not going to make it happen in June. But the rest of that batch is going to follow very quickly in early July. So, yeah, it's not all good news, guys. But as you can see in the pictures there, we are stacking them up and getting them out. So what's next? In July, as I mentioned, there'll be a little batch at the start and one at the end of the month. So it's going to be a decent sized batch. Our batches are getting bigger. That's the plan. Eventually, all of the people waiting will have their boards. But that's not going to happen until probably September. Most of the Raptor 2.0s will be gone and shipped, and the Raptor 2.1 production will be underway. So that hopefully is all very smooth sailing there. The Raptor 2.1 really isn't much different than the Raptor 2 in terms of what we need to manufacture, how we need to build it. Yes, there are a few things like the Foxbox Unity is slightly different, but in a good way. It's actually going to be quicker and easier to build Raptor 2.1s with the Foxbox Unity. So we're super keen to do that. The Foxbox Unity beta program is about to roll out. So we've done all of our lab testing and all our in-house testing and done as much as we can there, stressing the components and whatnot. But the next step is getting it out there to people who aren't inertian people and get them to try to break it. That's really the next step for us here. Hopefully that starts shipping out maybe at the end of next week, and we start getting some feedback on that. We've got to do that before you go into any kind of mass production, because you want to test this stuff, right? You want to make sure nothing's being missed, and the best way to do that is have lots of people try to break your stuff for you. So that's the basic plan there. The warranty, the replacement warranty, we've only been getting great feedback from our customers about this. This is something we're really proud of. We think it's going to make a huge difference to our customers. You shouldn't have to be without a board, basically. I mean, if you spend good money on a product, not only do you expect the performance to be exceptional and the quality of the workmanship should be exceptional, and overall the experience using the product should be the best it can be, also the service and the support and the backup. What does this brand do for me if things aren't going well? And Inertia want to be the best. We want to be one of the leaders in this game. So we've got to do everything to our best ability. And the warranty replacement program is that next step forward to achieve that. We've already done a few replacements for people. So they're super happy with that. And it's available for anyone who wants it. You can also extend it to 2 years, which is crazy. And a little sneak peek, we are going to do a big end of financial year sale. For those of you who don't know, in Australia and other places around the world, the end of June is the end of the financial year, and that's when it's a good time to do a sale. So we're going to do one. It'll be at the end of the month, so stay tuned for more news about that. Thanks for listening, and yeah, happy riding. Stay happy. I don't know. See you later. Bye.